Welcome to Donuts in the Park.
Yes. So true to our title, World of Donuts, we are in beautiful, beautiful Dublin, Ireland, in St. Stephen's Green Park. So this is our first capital series outside
the United States.
US. So we went to Rolling Donut. So this is one of their top 3 donut companies here in Dublin. And shoot, give me your camera.
Okay.
I didn't take any pictures of the donuts, so we're about to eat. So let me just get a quick donut picture.
We got a seagull coming to get you.
Yeah, he wants our donuts.
See?
You see him? Yeah.
What do you think, bud?
So we're gonna cheat this one and just do a quick overview donut picture.
Wow. We can always pause and take quick pictures.
Nah, we can just do this.
Sure.
Yes.
Alright.
Cheat the system. We'll make sure we fix it on the next one. Hopefully we're gonna remember what all these are called, because there's a lot of different flavors.
Yes.
So I will start with this beast, which is the chocolate peanut butter cup donut.
It's got like
Peanuts
on it?
Peanut shavings.
Peanut shavings.
The very mild donut, which is not surprising because over here they don't do as much sugar as we do in the US. So it's not overly sweet, even though it's a chocolate peanut butter cup donut. And there's no filling, so you're not getting like this overwhelming amount of flavor. It's very doughy.
I was expecting that to be a lot more, like she said, a lot more sugary. But the peanuts on top really are a great mellowing flavor. Awesome napkin. Yeah, you could eat a couple of those. Whereas some of the chocolate peanut butter donuts we've had, I'd be
So
amazed
strong.
if we could finish a half of them. So,
It's good. All right, pick one of yours.
there's the lemon.
Which is
Zest.
funny because it looks orange.
Yeah, well, that's because that's Zest. It's called a lemon zest explosion. So, of course, it's covered in powdered sugar.
Gonna
Like
wear
a
it because
mask.
he's wearing all black.
Ah! Despite my powdered sugar explosion here.
It's quite tasty.
That's really good.
There's something Europeans do, right? Any kind of breads, baked goods, always just have really good flavor to them.
It's. I mean, look at this thing.
Yeah.
So, here.
You see how thick that is? Yeah. That's a tasty donut. And again, not overly sweet. Got more of that bread consistency.
You're wearing
that
black
thickness.
too.
I know. And I'm sitting in the dirt in the park. So
Hey,
it happens.
we're doing this on not draw.
Yes. This is my
What's your coffee bean?
This is my coffee bean donut. Feels like it does. It has filling too. I don't know what the filling is. I didn't care for filling.
You sure? I think it's just thick.
That's tasty. What's weird is it's called a coffee donut, but it's not necessarily a coffee flavor. I mean, it is a little bit of a coffee flavor. See, there's filling in there. See? Just get a little. It's a coffee flavored filling. So the top's more of like almost like a maple. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a maple coffee or something. That is really good.
That's fantastic. Wow.
Okay, this is the one she said was their best seller.
Yes. The
You remember what it was called?
Bueno. The something Bueno. I'll put it in the notes. Or we'll add it in like right there.
Up here.
We will add it. It's their best seller. It's a very specific type. Every single donut shop here has one. So we're not sure what to expect. Now you're like, Bueno. I think that's funny because bueno is a Spanish word for good.
Maybe it's Gaelic too.
It might. Who knows?
That is just really smooth chocolate.
Oh my god.
What is this?
It's a piece of white chocolate, like marbled chocolate. Okay. If a chocolatier, like a true chocolate shop, made a donut, that would be this.
Like the Lint Master guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is just like a beautiful, smooth, milky chocolate. Yeah.
If I can find a milkshake that tasted like that,
well,
that would be amazing.
that's going to be so bad for us.
Wow. Okay.
All right.
Which one is this? It's your choice. You should remember this.
I want to say, the Molly Malone.
Was that the Molly Malone?
This is the Molly Malone. Yes. Which the descriptions are like this long on a card. So I'll pull it up on the website. We'll put it in here somewhere, even if it's in the notes below. But this is their Molly Malone donut. We're trying to stick with donuts that are specific to Ireland.
Yeah,
so
something
they're unique.
Unique and different. And I'm going to deem this little sparrow here Molly Malone.
Oh my god.
She's got an eye on this donut.
We might have to move to Ireland for the donuts alone. That is tasty. It's got like an apple filling.
I was going to say, is that apple in the middle?
Yeah. It's got an apple. I don't even need to see it. It almost looks like apple pie.
You gotta put it up where they can see it.
Yeah. It's almost like an apple pie
like
filling.
a cinnamon apple with this dusting, and then an awesome vanilla on the top.
Yeah.
And the consistency of these donuts is all very similar in the dough, the high-rise dough, like a sourdough.
Yeah.
Which means that this right here is going to be amazing. Okay, this
looks intense.
is called a raspberry explosion. I think there's a good reason for this, and I'm waiting for it to just explode. So I'm gonna like lean
Not
into
wear
it.
it.
I'm gonna lean into it. I love raspberry jam, and this is like taking a big giant spoonful of raspberry jam.
Oh my god.
Even she likes it.
That is a very strong raspberry taste.
Just enough powdered sugar to not make you wear it.
Look how much jam's in there.
Look at that. It is jam-packed.
And it's not store-bought jam. You still see the raspberry seeds.
It's homemade raspberry on the spot.
That's another thing, is every place we've stayed here has these amazing preserves and marmalades, and they're all homemade and fantastic. On top of all the breads we've been eating.
You better close that lid because Molly Malone there's got her eye on it.
Make an interesting video of a bird swooping in for our donuts.
Come on, try it. Yeah.
All right.
I see you, bird.
So,
I would roll on to a rolling donut.
Yeah. And there are multiple locations. That's why we didn't give you an address. There are
5-minute walk from the park.
There's like 7 locations here in town. So
well, where we're at St. Stephen's Green. This is a beautiful park.
It is. It's
lots
huge.
of stuff. Places you can just kind of obviously duck off and make video.
Which next week you will see us sitting right here because we have another box of donuts right next to us because across the street from Rolling Donut is our second donut shop.
Oh, and
which was just very convenient.
Boy, do I have some comments about that donut shop.
All right, so thank you for joining us yet again for our first European adventure in donuts.
Our first international
capital. Yes. So obviously we are here in Dublin for the next 2 videos, so stay tuned and we'll see you
we're on
next time.
public transport, so I can't tell you what kind of car we're in today.
No. We do have a rental car though.
Yeah.
And we will be in other parts of Dublin. Well, not Dublin, actually all of Ireland. So maybe if we come across...
see? There's Molly Malone.
If we come across a donut in our Off the Beaten Path series, we will stop and film that while in the rest of the country.
All right.
All right.
So, until next week.
See you next time. Bye.